We knew what we wanted at the beginning. We wanted something that people could have a great night's sleep on.
Creating masks that patients can and want to use is fundamental to our care by design approach.
We always put our patients first to make sure that we're delivering something that we know will work.
Less is best means that less interruption, less discomfort, less size on the face. All that works to give the patient the best therapy they can have.
About 5 years ago, we started our research for NovaMicro. That involved initially going out to the market and meeting with customers, and kind of hearing their needs and problems and figuring out what we could do to really help them. People don't really want a big thing that they wear on their face at night time, so they want a small mask, and it's especially so for the nasal pillows masks like NovaMicro. For us, the key thing was getting that mask really small, as small as possible with no compromises. You know, for us, natural sleep is having less in the bedroom, less on your face, less distractions while you're sleeping. So we can make the mask as compact as possible so that you basically don't feel it while you're sleeping. We think you'll have a more natural sleep, and that means a better night's sleep.
The reason I'm passionate about design is, I guess, seeing things created, seeing things come to life from sort of ideas in the team's head to, sketches and being able to sort of visualize. Chasing simplicity in the design, like the end result looks really simple, but it's a really hard thing to achieve, and yet it's crucial on like a mask that is this minimal. When someone's trying to put a mask on for the first time, like they're pretty overwhelmed. There's a lot of information they have to take on, how you'd put it on your head, how you'd adjust it, where it goes on your face. Like everything about the product is very intuitive.
So the micro pillows cushion is really sort of the heart and soul of the product, and it's designed to be as soft and conforming as possible to the patient's nostrils. We had to put a lot of effort into how the prongs interact with the base of the mask, how they flex and how they move to accurately fit a wide range of people's faces without sacrificing performance, and really help them get a good night's sleep by sealing and not causing any discomfort.
The challenges with it being so small is all the other aspects of the product, the headgear, the straps, the connections all started to look very large, very bulky. So the challenges came then of trying to create a headgear and connections that sort of matched at the very minimal seal.
My main focus was on the headgear. So headgear consists of two parts, the rear straps, which are extendable, and the side straps, which are adjustable. The rear straps are circular knitted, so the aim of that is to give us the softness and extensibility while not compromising on the longevity of the product. And for the side strap, the foam layers give that softness when you're sleeping on it. It wouldn't cause any marks, wouldn't be abrasive at all. A big part of it was making sure that we could fit most of our population. And that sat with this rear strap, so ensuring that it could fit the smallest head to the largest head. And we did thousands of cycles to make sure that people could still get the same experience and still trust that the product would deliver the therapy they needed and would fit through their entire lifetime. The unique thing with our site is that because we have a lot of manufacturing and prototyping equipment available, we can test things out and iterate and find out what's the best design, layout, and how we can transfer this concept through to something that's manufacturable and something we can actually bring to market.
So we've recently completed our validation trial with NovaMicro mask. This involved giving the mask to a number of sleep apnea patients. They took the mask home, they used it for a couple of weeks. So we asked patients how they felt the NovaMicro mask performed during the night. And that's in terms of air leak and the sealing ability of the cushion on the face. And we found that all participants rated the mask as being very good or good at performing at night. And some of our patients even said that they did not feel like they were wearing the mask on their face. It really did surprise some of our patients how well they slept with the mask, but also how natural their sleep felt.
For the design team that worked on NovaMicro, it was all about the patient. We wanted them to have the best night's sleep possible. So we know that people are going to get this product, put it on for the first time, be surprised. This is a product that's so small, so light, they barely feel it. And we feel proud that we've achieved that goal that we started out with, and we can make the best night's sleep for our customers.